Hello, my beautiful, wonderful Aquarius. Welcome to your love reading. This is a love spread. Okay, let me explain my channel. Now, this is a general reading, guys. It may resonate, it may not resonate also. I may be picking up your energy or your person's energy because it's a general reading. If it is not resonating for you, you must watch your moon sign, you must watch your rising sign, you must watch your Jupiter sign and Venus sign also, Venus sign, because Venus is planet of love. North node also will help you, South node also will help you. Now, all these signs are very important because our birth chart has all these signs, and sometimes sun sign is not the most important sign for an individual. Okay, let us start now. And also, this is general reading. If you want a personal reading, there is a huge rebate, that is a huge discount that is happening, and I have given everything in the description box. You can avail the offer. This is just 10 minutes reading, and that is 40 to 45 minutes reading of diving deep into your love situation. You can get a lot of different angles and analysis in that. Now let us clarify the cards. Now let's start, and thank you for all the donations. I highly appreciate it. It helps me a lot. Thank you for the love you're showing it in case of donation. Thank you. It is helping me to make my channel really better. I'm getting lots of decks because of that, and I will improve my channel by buying divine items. You are also getting karma points, good karma points while you do that. I'm sending a lot of love for that. Thank you. Now let us start. First card that we have is the Seven of Swords, which is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini card. Okay, now that I clarified. Okay, I clarified that, and I got the Knight of Swords again, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy, which is your energy. So you are escaping, man. You are escaping out of the situation. Just like that, you decided to escape out of the situation. Why are you doing that? I don't know. It is very funny. Why are you escaping out of this love situation? I think you're saying something and then you're running off. You're saying again something, again you're running off. Something like that, you're doing some game nonsense you're doing, okay? And that is the first energy. That is the first card. Let me take one more card, okay? Let me take one more card. Why is this Seven of Swords here? My guides, my angels, please tell me, okay? For Aquarius, why is this? Why is this here? Why is this, Seven of Swords energy? I mean, like, why are you escaping out of this love situation? Tell me. Because you're not strong. Oh, because you're not strong, and you're thinking if you go now, and you will not be able to, produce your best result. You think you will fumble. You're thinking that you will fumble. It can be your person's energy also that I'm picking up. I'm telling you very clearly. Now don't ask, okay, in the comments, come and tell me, no, this is my person's energy. Yeah, it can actually be your person's energy. Very possible. So, the strength card is Leo energy. For Capricorn also the strength card was there. Okay, and also Sagittarius card of temperance was also there for Sagittarius. Maybe you are dealing with Capricorn. I'm not too sure, but maybe. Okay, so you have the Tower card. You feel that, if you go and talk or do anything in this relationship right now, the tower will fall. You will fall, they will fall, everybody will fall. What is the use? Okay, you are thinking like, oh my god, better than this I will stay at home. No, if I fall also I can get up, but if I go and sit in the tower, then if I fall and they fall, that is it, we both die. So you thought that, and you decided, no, we are not doing that, I will be at home. Okay, and I will think about it, and when the time is right, that time I will go, because temperance is there. Temperance is like balance. You are thinking about your balance, and you're not. It could be your person also. Okay, very it's very funny. Seriously, you are thinking that you may make a mistake, and because of knowing that you may make a mistake, you decided to not take the action. You decided to escape out of the situation. But I think you have plans of becoming strong and then making a comeback and all. See, look at me, look at my eyes, look at my legs, look at the way I talk and walk. This you want to show off later. And you're trying, you're strategizing, you're making plan. You're going learning salsa. You're going to, public speaking class. You're going and learning martial arts. Going learning cooking. I don't know what you're learning, but you're learning something. Or maybe a lot of things. You're an Aquarius. Nobody knows what you'll do, when you'll become what. So I think you've got this Superman kind of I don't know, something you're doing. Maybe you're getting superpowers. Maybe you want to become psychic. Oh yeah, something you're doing. And before you become that, you don't want to show yourself because you're thinking they will see you in with lack of balance, or you will start talking some nonsense and hell will break loose. You got it? Why is the temperance here for Aquarius? My guides, my angels, my spirit guides. You got the 8 of Swords. Okay, see, that is why you put a blindfold. Again, your energy only, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Maybe you are also dealing with another Aquarius. Okay, that is also possible. You must, I think you have to watch the, Capricorn reading. You know why? Because you have the Sun card also. Because they also had very strong Leo coming up. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Okay. Or somebody who has characteristics like a Leo. Which is like very, I know it all. I mean, like they are the center of their own universe. Okay, they love themselves so much, which is good. Nothing wrong. It's great, no? But you're, yeah, but there is a lack of balance and they know it. Okay, they know there is a lack of balance and they put the blindfold. They decided, I'm deciding to be inside this prison right now. I'm not going to talk right now. I don't want to because I know that I have no balance. Okay, I have to become strong. See, same message coming in two different rows. I asked, why are you escaping the situation? Why are you escaping the situation? And they gave the Leo card, which is strength card. And this is also like, the Sagittarius card I wanted to see, which is temperance card. I wanted to clarify. And again, that is clarified by the sun, which is Leo card. And same Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. They don't want to take action now, because if they take action, it is going to be so bad. Okay, so I think because of that, they decided to cut off the relationship and take some time and plan and everything, and then later they'll start family or whatever. Let's clarify. Why is the Ace of Swords here? Why is the Ace of Swords here? Three cards have come, okay? Three cards, all wand. All are wands. All are wands. The bottom of the deck also wands. So they don't want conflict, they don't want burden, and they are waiting for the right opportunity to come, and then only they want to take action. Very good, no? Strategy. Look at that. Very good strategy and all. Not doing anything hastily. Taking some time so that, everything becomes good. Okay, I'll put the cards, okay? So you can see, you have the 5 of Wands. They cut the relation because it was too much problem. 5 of Wands is competition problem. You are talking something, they are talking something else is happening, other people are talking something. Then I think one person or both of you just lost it. And you decided, no, this is not happening. This is too much of a burden. I cannot carry this. I will wait. With the 3 of Wands, look at that. I will wait for the right situation. I'll wait for the right time, and then I will strike. Then I will just try the relationship again. Okay, till that it is okay. You be alone, I'll be alone. You do whatever, I do whatever, I don't care. Okay, you do whatever. Seriously, I have my work. Like that only I'm feeling the energy. This 3 of Wands was also there for Capricorn reading. So you can watch the Capricorn reading, okay? The bottom of the deck. Yeah, see, the bottom of the deck you have the... what is this? The 7 of Wands. Okay, so total boundaries. Please don't come inside. This is where I put the gate. I have my picket fence. Please don't cross it. Okay, that is the boundary. Very strong fire sign, no? It is coming here. Maybe you're dealing with fire sign. Sagittarius is there, then Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. Very strong Leo. 100% there is a fire sign that you're dealing with. Or earth sign also, but more than earth you see fire. Okay, let's clarify. Why is the 7 of Pentacles here? Why is the 7 of Pentacles here? Thank you. So 7 of Pentacles, see, it is clarified by same card. 7 of Pentacles is waiting. Oh my God. It's clarified again by the same card. High Priestess. High Priestess is also not talking, okay? High Priestess is the energy of like, that super, like always keeping quiet, okay? I mean, super mysterious. Highly intelligent and mysterious, okay? Oh, Mysterious girl, I want to get close to you. That is the thing happening here. Okay? But that's really happening. It's working. Oh, mysterious girl, I want what? Move your body close to mine. That is happening. Somebody is losing it and somebody is deciding to keep quiet. Mystery is working. Mysterious, not talking, decided to keep quiet. One person is decided to keep quiet. Hanged man is also same thing. Seven of Pentacles also same thing. High Priestess also same thing. Why is the Ten of Pentacles here? Why is the Ten of Pentacles here? Why? Okay. What is this? Magician. Okay, but somebody is manifesting a good house. You know, a proper home with palace, everything. They really think that this is the wish that they want. Okay. They think that this Leo person is awesome. Queen of Rods and all. So I want to marry this person. Okay. What is the outcome? What is the outcome of this situation? At last, what is going to happen? What is the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of the situation? What is the outcome of thank you? The Fool card, Aquarius. Aquarius, there you are. Okay. So I think anything may happen. I think at last, after being guarded and everything for a very long time, they decide to come towards you. This is what I have. Okay. Give me like, share and subscribe. And also, you can book a reading which is on discount. I told you it is there in description box. Very cheap. Make use of it. And I will give you 40 to 45 minutes of a very deep reading. And also, what else I want to tell you? Thank you for the donations. Okay, I really appreciate that. It really helps me. Okay, I'm sending you a lot of good vibes and giving you positive messages. Thank you. Keep it coming. And also, if you want to watch your moon sign, please go and watch that. And also your ascendant sign, which is very, very important. It is also called as the rising sign. Also your Venus sign. Okay, if you're not getting the right message over here, I think something is hidden in the other sun signs. Okay, thank you so much, Aquarius. Have a wonderful life. Bye.